Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can create clickable link in PowerPoint slides. First, for example, I search for Newton's law of cooling by ENG-School. Okay, this tutorial, I want to create a clickable link for this tutorial for my students. Click this one. This tutorial also is done by myself. Okay, right click, copy video URL. Then come back to PowerPoint slides, just Ctrl V. Bring this one. From here, you can write watch this tutorial. Okay, then come to here, just insert space, directly become clickable link. If you put cursor to here, you see it says Ctrl plus click. So just hold Ctrl and click it. Directly it goes to the desired tutorial. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.